Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to connect PayPal to Facebook Marketplace. First is you have to open your Facebook application and then log in to your account. Then from there, you just have to click on these three horizontal lines at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then you'd be able to see here the option where it says settings and privacy. So you just have to click on it and then click on the orders and payments. After that is you're going to see this option right here. So now you just have to click on this option, the payment methods. Okay, so you just have to click on the add payment method and then make sure to select PayPal. Okay, so when you click on the PayPal option, you'd be redirected to this page where you have to log into your PayPal account. So just type out your email or your mobile number right here, and then just click on next. And of course, you have to type out your password as well. Now you just have to get the code using your mobile number or your email, and then you have to type out the code that you have received. So just tap it out right here. And then after that, you'd be able to see this page. And what you're going to do next is to click on the add button, this one at the bottom center of your screen, to add your PayPal to your Facebook Marketplace. And just click on the agree and continue. And after that, you have successfully added PayPal to Facebook Marketplace. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.